Hello friends, welcome to the next video of Python batch. And in previous tutorial we discussed about the very first data types, that is numbers, and in this tutorial we talk about string. So as we know that string is a bunch of characters, and I will show you how you can create a string in Python. So to create a string in Python, let's say a equals to GLLO. So there are two ways of creating a string in Python. So this is the first way, and there is one more way, that is GLLO Python. So either you can use double quote or you can use single quote to create a string. So if you'll print A and if you'll print B, then you can see the result is same. You will get the same output. So there is no difference. Either you can use this double quote or you can use single quote. But what will happen if you want to use a single quote inside your string? Means you want to use apostrophe s. So here you can see uh, three single quotes are there. So Python will consider this as a string, and rest will not be a part of string according to Python. So it will give you an error here. I'll show you. Here you can see you are getting an invalid syntax. So what you will do in that case, so either you can use backslash here, then in that case it will not give you an error. Here you can see the second output, uh, or there is one more way. Better you can use a double quote, or then you can use single inside your string. Then in that case it will not give you an error. So if you have created your string with a single quote, then and you have to use apostrophe s inside your string, then in that case you will have to use backslash. Otherwise it's better to create your string with double quote. Then in that case you can use a single quote or apostrophe s inside your string. So this is how you can create a string in Python. Now let's see some built-in methods of string. So for that, let's say you have a string hello world. So this is the string, and if we talk about the index of the string, then the first index of this character is 0. I'll show you how. So this is how it is indexing in Python. So hello world. So if you'll go from left to right, then the first index would be 0. It will start from 0, 1, 2 and so on. And if you'll go from right to left, then the first index will start from -1, -2 and so on. So now let's see some methods of string. So let's say this is the string, and if you'll print a dot, and if you'll wait for some time, it will show you all the methods which are available in string. So let's try the first one, capitalize. So this method will, what this method will do, let's see. It will capitalize the first character of my string, that is h. So in the output you can see h is in capital letter. So this what capitalize method does. So let's try some other methods. Let's say this count method and L. So what this method will do, it will count how many times my this character is repeating in my string. So here you can see 3 times it is repeating. So the output should be 3. So here you can see the output, it's 3. Or you can also write this code, let's say L and 5 and 10, means here you are checking after fifth index how many times my L character is repeating between 5 to 10. So let's see the output. So here you can see after fifth index, so fifth index means this because it start from 0. So let's see this. So this is the fifth index. So after this, how many times my this character is repeating L? So only one time it is repeating. So that's why I'm getting 1 here. So let's try some other methods. A dot There is a index method that you can try, and here you can see, let's say L5. So what does it mean? I just want to check after fifth index what is the index of L. So let's see the output. uh, the index of L is 9. So after fifth index, so this is the fifth index, and after fifth index, what is the index of L? It's 9. So this is what I'm getting in my output. So there is one more method, a dot find, and let's say this time we check the index of O. So it will also give me the index of O, so that is 4. You can see here the index of O is 4. So this is what I'm getting in my output. So if find is also giving me an index and index is also giving me the index of the character, then what's the difference between them? So the only difference is if the character is not available at the index that you are giving in this index method, then it will give you an error, but in find it will return -1. So let's say if I'm saying the index of L after the 10th index, what is the index of L? So I just want to know that. So here if you will see, this is the 10th index and after that there is nothing. So what will happen in that case? I'll run this code, and here you can see I'm getting an error. So in index you will get an error, but if you will give this, if you'll use the same index here, what you'll get in the output, it will give you -1. It will return -1. It will not give you an error. So index will give you an error, but find will return -1 in that case. Now you can also check the length of your string. To check that, you just need to type len, len, and then a, and it will show you the length of your string, that is 11. And there is a method called upper, which will capitalize all the characters of your string. Here you can see. And now there is one method. Let's say you want to check whether your string is a numeric, then you can use this method and it will return true or false. So here you are saying that your string is a digit. There is an This is a numeric string. So what it is saying, it is saying no, it's false. It's not numeric. It's, here you can see, characters. So this is what you are getting in output. So now let's say you have a string in which you have both alpha and numeric. So now what you can check here is your string is having alpha or numeric both. For that you have sorry, we need to type b dot lnum. So it will give true in your output. Or let's say you have only numeric, so alpha numeric, either numeric or an alpha, anyone should be there in your string, and if you're using this method then it will give you an output accordingly. So alpha and numeric, so here it is, here you have a numeric, so again you will get true. Yes, I have a numeric value, here you can see true. And if you have alphabets in your string, then again you will get true. So this is just checking, yes, this time it's alphabet here, so that's why it's getting true. But if we'll say here only alpha, and here you don't have alphabets, you have numeric value, then it will say false. But if you have, let's say you have alphabet here, then it will say true. So there are many other methods which are available that you can try in strings. So these are the methods that we have just tried, so you can try other methods also in the same way. So let's see some slicing. So let's say you have this hello world, and if you will print a, and for slicing, let's see if at fourth index there is O alphabet, or you can see here at fourth index there is O alphabet. So you can also write this code as print a minus 7. As I told you, if you will go from right to left, then it will start from -1. So in that case, the indexing of O is -7. So again, in that case also you will get the same result. I'll show you. Here you can see in both the cases you are getting the same output O. So let's say you want to do slicing. You want to print first 4 characters. Then how you will print that? It will start from 0 and it will go from till 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 to 3 it will run. So in that case it will print first 4 characters of my string. So you can also write this code as 4. Again you are getting the same result. So if you're not giving any initial value, start value, then it will be considered as 0. Or let's say you want to print after 4 character, you want to print all the characters of your string. Then how you will do that? A and bracket, let's say 4 and colon O world. So at the fourth index it's O, and till end of the string it will go. So here we have given a command that it should start from fourth and it should go till end of my string and print all the alphabets or characters. So here you can see in the output. And you can also write a code A, and it should start from 0 to 9, and there should be a step of 2. So here you can see the output. So first it will print 0, then it will print after the second one, then O, then W, then R. So in this way it is printing. Now let's say you have a string Ram Kumar, and you want to print R dot Kumar. Then what you will do? So you just simply print A now R dot Kumar. So you will pick the first character which is at 0 index. So A0 is my R. Then I'll use plus sign, and then I'll use dot, and then again I'll use plus and A Kumar. So K will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth index. So I'll write 4 and till end of the string. And first of all it should be C. And here you can see the output R dot Kumars. So in this way you can slice any string. So guys, this was all about the second data type, that is a string. So thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good day.